So we are now at the point where we need to talk about the equations for lenses. And the equations for lenses are the exact same equations that we used when we were talking about mirrors. The only difference is basically for the focal lengths, which device does what. So we're going to continue to use the lens maker equation, or 1 over the focal length is equal to 1 over di plus 1 over dou, and the magnification equation that the magnification is equal to high over ho, which is equal to negative di over dou. In this case, f represents the focal length, which is still positive if it's converging, the light's coming together. In this case, that would be for a convex lens. Or it's negative if the light is diverging, spreading apart, which for us in this case would be a concave lens. Capital M is still the magnification and is positive when the object is upright, or a virtual image. And you get a virtual image when you'll have a positive magnification. And if the object is upright and the image is inverted, you'll have a real image and a negative magnification. Remember, magnification, the sign tells you whether you have a real or a virtual image, but the number value is what tells you whether it's bigger or smaller. So larger than 1, larger image, smaller than 1, smaller image. DI continues to be the image distance, and as always, real images will always have a positive DI value, and for a lens that means they're beyond the lens, whereas a virtual image will be in front of the lens, but will still have a negative negative image distance. DO, object distance, positive for everything because we're only going to be using real objects. Image height, if it's upright, positive, virtual image. If it's upside down, negative, real image. And object height, positive for all of our objects. Remember, we're going to draw the objects using an arrow to depict whatever it is that we're trying to see through the lens. You can practice these equations with problems on your own, but just giving you the rundown of what everything means.